I also agree with what the BPP said. If anybody don't want to use the same impact, they can scrap and they can burn it down. It is not mandatory. But those who will benefit it, I would request them they can use it. But it's not mandatory. If you're competent enough, you can. It is not mandatory. You can burn it. You can throw it out to the Barapani or somewhere. But it is not mandatory that you have to use the same impact. But for those who are will be benefited, you can use it, right? For there are many individuals who only eat the food from five-star hotel, but there are many students, but there are many people in the rural who wish to eat even rice in the dal. It's good enough for them. So this is like this. So those who are at the standard of the five-star, seven-star standard, they can throw it out. But for those who are at the need, it is not it is not for anything else, but it is for those who will benefit out of it. They can use it. But if you don't want, you can throw it. You can burn it down, and you can throw it to Barapani. It's nothing use, and it should not take headache. Also, look, yesterday, there's some people saying, why there is low percentage? Government should do something, and we did it. But today it's being headache to somebody. I don't know what's wrong with them. But I'm not yet to digest whether that individual has really said or not. I think if people has misquoted, I don't think so. Our my friends, the BPP said really, but I don't think so. I'm not yet to digest. But yeah, I think it looks you have been media has been misquoted because he is a academician, he is a well respected individual, he's a highly qualified man. I don't expect that he will come down heavily on the students, he will demoralize this because that kind of statement really demoralize, bring down the standard of students, and it, it what you call it look down it is what you call like the undermine the hard work of the students. Look, all this result is not because of the government, it's not because of the teacher, it's not because of anything, it's just because of the student hard work. At the end of the day, it's a student's hard work, it's their success, not anybody else. So all credit goes to the students.